they're only gonna warranty what they touched. Water heaters are not built like they used to be. We get to sell you another water heater, which is great. Bad for you. I'm Brandon Burrill, owner and operator of Quick Water Heater and Filtration Co. located in San Diego. In this video, I'm going to explain all the details and ins and outs of manufacturer's warranties from most of the common brands that you're going to find in the market. So let's get started. First and foremost, plumbers do not make these water heaters. They only install them. So in general, plumbers are going to warranty things like this, solder fittings, loose connections, anything that we do wrong, but they're not gonna warranty the tank itself. This is the responsibility of the manufacturer. So we've been installing water heaters for 15 years and we've gotten thousands and thousands of calls. My water heater's not hot, it's leaking, there's something happening, yada, yada, yada. Consumer has to know that this is not our water heater. We did not build this, we only buy it and install it for you. So essentially, when you get a water heater from a plumbing company, you have to understand that they're only going to warranty what they touched. So if they leave a loose fitting, that's their fault. They have to replace it. If it starts leaking out of one of the fittings or one of the supply lines, that's the plumber's responsibility. In California, you have 1 year, you must warranty all of your work, right? After 1 year, it's wear and tear, things happen. So in that case, you're going to either have to pay to have a plumber come and fix something after a year, or if it's the water heater company, you need to call the manufacturer and address the issue with them. Now, you can always call your plumber and they'll generally take care of you, but you have to understand that it's not their responsibility as they did not make the water heater. So all this is to say that we do sell an extended warranty. The price varies on the purchase cost and how much things break. Water heaters are not built like they used to be, and they have a lot more problems than they used to. In the 70s, you could buy a water heater and it would be likely to last 30 years. You'd be changing it out sometimes in the early 2000s. Now they last just over the warranty period, and then the manufacturer goes, hey, we get to sell you another water heater, which is great. Bad for you. So understand that we do sell additional labor warranties to basically take ownership over the water heater and cover you so that you don't have any additional expenses. That's not included in most of the product costs. So I hope this video has been helpful. It should explain to you what the responsibilities are from the plumber standpoint and what you can expect as the owner of the water heater and what your responsibilities are. So if this video has been helpful, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, like it or don't. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.